She's graduated from being a small screen bahu to a girl next door on the big screen, and now she's coming in an avatar, which don't think anybody of us could have imagined you in that. First of all, I mean, it was an easy progress for you to get into this avatar, or it was a difficult decision?
Um, Look, honestly, all this while in my head, it's been super easy. I just don't know why nobody's ever let me do it or made me do it. Okay, so I guess that I have always blamed it on the opportunities. You give me something good, and I'm gonna rock it. Because this is what I love doing, and I know my scope. Of course, I would never know, up to what extent I can be pushed or what boundaries I can push. But yes, these are definitely the things that I've always been wanting to do, and I think that I needed a Mohit Suri in my life to make me do this.
Absolutely, but then we've always, maybe I think it's just an assumption that we always thought that maybe you're not wanting to do these kind of roles or these kind of numbers, or it might be our assumption, because if you say that you've always been open to doing these things, but then because of the image you always portrayed on screen, do you think that's why people never came to you, for such kind of numbers or roles?
Probably yes. Unfortunately, what happens with us is, you see somebody doing something which works for them. Yeah. That's what you want to make them do for the rest of their life. So that is where we get stuck. Now, whether you find something great 1 year down the line, 2 years down the line, or probably 20 years down the line, that's all dependent on what's written in for you. But I just think that yes, these are the things that I've always wanted to do, but I've never got an opportunity like this from somebody like Mohit. It's very, very easy for an actor to just keep their eyes shut and say, yes, I'm going to do this. When you have somebody like Mohit, do a song in his film, I knew it was going to be different. It was not going to be a conventional number, a dance number. This is a beautiful song. The visuals are amazing. When you actually watch it, he's shot the whole thing with a twist in it. So the lyrics are so literal, and it's very, very. Of course, it's very connectable, but. Like I said, they're very severe, the lyrics, about heartbreak or pain or hurt, and there's so much pathos in the song. But when you watch the treatment that he's given it, it's very quirky, and I love that. I knew that he was going to come with something so amazing, because he has this habit of surprising his audience, from a murder to a love story like Ashiki, and then now Ek Villain. They're so different, and the way he presents his women is so different. So I needed this.
You needed this, and you're going to be very comfortable with the now sexy tag which will be attached with Prachi Desai.
Why not? But like I said, I don't think anybody's up to doing rubbish ever. So that's why I keep saying that, when you have the right person who is going to give you an opportunity like this
and present
you beautifully, then that's when there's no other way. You absolutely do it with all your heart and soul, and that's what I did. Unfortunately, so far, I never had an amazing opportunity like this ever.
Future also, if you get any special offers for these numbers, you would be game to do these numbers, because of course in every movie there are big stars, and Katrina and Kareena doing these numbers. So would you also be open? Not many actresses are open to such numbers. Would you be open to numbers in future also?
See, honestly, I love dancing, and if somebody gives me something which is completely different from Avari now, we get stuck now. Honestly, I'll be offered like 26 more Avaris, which is not something that I want to do. So I love dancing, and I'd absolutely love to perform, given a great opportunity. But it has to be something completely different from Avari. Yeah.
And the tattoos, in real life, would you actually go ahead and get a tattoo for yourself?
That's a dicey one, because I just feel that we are so beautiful as we are, and I don't think anybody should have any spots on their body in the form of any of these scribbles. Anything. So I just feel that sometimes tattoos look extremely cool on certain people who can really carry it off very well. As for me, I prefer these temporary ones because I know I'm going to change my mind in the next 4 days, and I'm not going to stick with something that's on me for the rest of my life.
You posted your snap quite many days earlier. So about the look, what was the response to your look?
I think up to some extent people were just a little bit blown, and I love that because that was the intent of doing this song. And honestly, I've got an amazing response for the picture, for the first picture that I put out for Avari, and I think that also comes from the same thing because nobody's ever seen me like that before.
On that note, thank you so much and all the best for your song. I think I should leave you fast so that you can go and check yourself first. Thank you so much, Prachi.
Thank you.
Thank you.